I decided to talk about something real random today. Over there in the woods on around 10:30 last night, I heard what sounded like an owl, but it was more of a "hoo," like a person saying it, not an owl. And it's just kind of funny because that kind of stuff happens all the time here. Like, I live in Pennsylvania. It's a very cloudy day in Pennsylvania today. It's not too bad, but it's cloudy, and that stuff happens literally all the time. All the time. Like I'll get random noises here and there. We'll have random things happen. Just like there could be no wind and all of a sudden just like trees fall and random stuff all the time. I know that's not really random. It could just be because the tree's dead, but like there's times where I'm out here and I see eyes glowing, and there's no animals out at night, and I hear random footsteps in the woods, music that's in our woods again, just random stuff all the time. And it's kind of funny because, that stuff shouldn't happen.